Hello students, welcome back to your IT class. Today we will discuss the components of network. Okay, what are components? Various software and hardware components are needed to establish communication between devices in a computer network. To establish a communication to connect two devices with the help of network components. Okay, so first network component is what? A NIC, network interface card. A network interface card, also referred to as Ethernet card, is a card or a circuit board that is integrated in the motherboard of a computer. It is the Ethernet card, or we can say a circuit board that that is integrated, that combine the motherboard, that is pointed on the motherboard of the computer. Okay, it is a computer hardware component which allows a computer to connect with a network. So NIC may be used for both wired and wireless connections. We will discuss later that wired or wireless connection what are. So wired connection is what? Which is with the help of cable two devices are connected. Okay, and wireless without cable devices are connected. Okay, we will discuss later deeply. So nowadays what all the systems having inbuilt NIC. Okay, already inbuilt NIC, or we can say network interface card, are already attached or built in the systems. Got it? Next is hub. A hub is a network device that contains multiple ports to connect other devices. It serves as a central connections point. Already we discussed that what is hub. Hub is a device through which we can communicate with other ports or other nodes. In in star topology we discussed that hub is there which connects with other ports. So same here, hub is what? It is a network device which contains multiple ports, okay, to connect other devices. It serves as a central connection point. Central connection point, how beta? Suppose in center a hub is there, and other, you can see in picture, a hub is there and workstations are connected with hub. Got it? Next is modem. A modem is a device that enables a computer system to exchange information over telephone lines. Modem has acquired its name from two words, that is modulator and demodulator. Okay, the modem is a word which generate from modulator and demodulator, and the work of modem is what? To translate the analog signal into digital and digital signals into analog. For example, see, between the digital data of a computer and analog signal of a telephone line, the data stored in computers is in digital format. Okay, but the information transmitted over telephone line must be in analog format. So this conversion done by the modem. Got it? Next, switch. A switch is known as a special type of hub. Unlike a usual hub, a switch transfers data only to port in a network that needs to receive it. In a picture you can see that there is a network switch which connected with other PCs, that CPU, printer and modem. Okay, so these the main work of switch is what? To connect different devices to communicate or exchange information. Got it? Next is repeater. When signals travels in a network over long distance, their strength decreases. So if we want to communicate, or if we want to exchange, sometimes what happens, if we want to exchange our data from one place to another, and but the strength, or the network or signals are very low, so our data will not send easily or fastly. Okay, so to increase the strength of signals we need repeater. Okay, the work of repeater is what? To increase the strength of signals. Okay, next is bridge. A bridge is a network device that is used to connect segments of LAN that uses the same protocol. Which devices are using same protocol, and to connect those segments we need a bridge. It is a similar to a router, but it simply forward data. Bridge, what is the work of bridge? That devices is used to connect segments of LAN uses the same protocol. Okay, same protocol used by the devices, those are connected by the LAN bridge. Next is router. A router is a device that determines the best route for sending data between different networks. In picture you can see there is a router, and computer A wants to send data computer B, and there is no wired connection. Okay, so router decides the what is the best path, means what is the best way to sending data computer A to computer B. It is decided by router. Okay, next, gateway. A gateway in a computer network is a node that connects different networks. It enables to send data to and from. The only difference between the router gateway is what? That router decide first that what is the best way, but gateway is a large platform and sends data, connects the devices. Okay, next is RJ45. RJ45 refers to register jack 45, also known as Cat5. It is a cable that is used to connect two different networks. All these devices are used to connect the network, that how we will communicate or how we will establish our communication with other networks. Got it? These are the components of network. Hope you will understand easily. Next is network technologies. There are two types of network technologies. Earlier I said that there is wired and wireless. So wired technology is what? A network that uses wires and Ethernet cables to connect a network component and devices together is called a wired network. This technology has some advantages and as well as disadvantages. We will discuss later. So firstly, understand, when we will use cables, that is wire technology. In picture you can see computer 1 Ethernet switch, computer 3 game consoles, printer, all these things are connected with a wire. So some various types of wires we use to connect, like twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, fiber optic cables. Okay, these are wire technologies. Next is wireless technology. Wireless technology is what? Offers the possibility of a network that is not connected by the cable of any kind. A wireless technology makes use of radio waves to connect to the devices and network components. If computer have wireless NIC, then they can create a wireless connections. In NIC, I told that NIC already built in the systems, that is wireless communication network. Okay, so in wireless technology we can take examples like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, okay, your radio wave, microwaves, all these are the examples of your wireless technology. Got it? Hope you understand the network components and network technologies. So read this chapter up to here, and if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can discuss with me. Thank you.